Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Amber Louise. I'm a business coach for social media managers. And in today's video, we're going to run through the exact Q4 plan that you are going to implement today in your business that is going to get you ending the year super strong. We're going to fill your pipeline full of leads, and we're also going to get premium clients that want to work with you, that pay premium rates for your services. So let's get into it. Now, most social media managers, they go into Q4 thinking, well, there's only 3 months left of the year. Let's just start the new year fresh. And this is possibly the biggest mistake that you can make. Q4 is the most powerful quarter for setting up the year strong so you can start 2026 with so much momentum. It's really about setting the runway for the new year. And the matter of the fact is so many businesses, whether small, medium scale, or large scale, they are looking for social media managers right now. We are leading into Black Friday period, Christmas period, and obviously the New Year period, which is so busy for clients. So they want you starting now. So this is the exact reason why we need to implement this plan so you can start attracting these premium clients. Because the social media managers that implement this plan are the ones that go into the new year feeling so much confidence and clarity, and they're already signing contracts before the year's out to start the new year feeling super strong. Okay, so this is going to be your Q4 plan. So there are 5 steps to this process. It's going to take you about 10 to 15 minutes to complete from start to finish. So let's get into it. Step number 1 is a review and refocus. So it's really important to outline everything in your business this year, what worked really well and what didn't work so well. Number 2 is which of my offers actually made me money and which just drained my time. So this is applicable if you have multiple different offers, and it's really important if you don't know your numbers, you need to start tracking this every single week because it's important to make sure that we're obviously pricing for profitability. Step number 2 is rebuilding your offers. So number 1, do my packages solve an outcome or just sell hours of my time? That is a super, super important one. We don't want to be packaging up, hire me for 20 hours a month. It is solving a specific outcome. We don't price selling our time. Number 2 is what's the one premium transformation I can deliver that positions me as the obvious expert? So if you're just selling social media management packages, we want to make sure that we flip the script and position you as the expert in that one specific thing that you can do for clients to get them X result. Number 3, again, am I pricing for profit? So it's really important. Go back through the year so far, have a look at what you've earned, and then the amount of hours that you've actually spent working on those that work and on each of your clients, and you'll be able to work out pretty quickly whether you are profitable or not. Number 3 is installing a simple client acquisition system. So this is obviously really important in the process as well. So first question here is, do I have content that positions me as an authority, or am I blending in with Canva post reshares and generic templates? So again, have a look at your Instagram from a lens of your ideal or your dream client's shoes, and actually have a look, if they were to land on your Instagram, are you positioned as an authority and would you want to hire yourself? And that's going to be your answer. Number 2 is, if Instagram shut down tomorrow, would I still know how to get clients, where to get them from, and would you still have a business? So this is where it's really important that you start, if you haven't already, building out an email list so you own your list. So if social media disappeared off the land of the earth tomorrow, you still have a business. Number 3 is, how many real conversations did my content start this month? There is no point spending all this time creating content if it's not actually driving conversations and leading to sales call with your dream clients. So that's a really important metric to have a look at. And number 4 is my booking process clear, repeatable, and professional, or does it look like a scramble? So remember, client experience is something that is super important and you should have that in mind. So it's really important to have a look at your customer journey, and if you haven't already, map that out and make sure that it is super automated and clear that your audience takes the next steps. Step number 4 is mapping your visibility plan. So question number 1, am I known as the go-to strategist in one space or just another social media manager online? We're living in an online world where you need to be known as the expert in one thing or one or two different things, so people know that you are that person for that particular service, whether that is social media strategy, whether it's ads, email marketing, systems, whatever that may be. So want to make sure that you stand out first and foremost. Number 2 is which platform is actually driving inquiries and am I doubling down on it? Okay, so really important here that you're not spreading your focus across all of these different platforms and it's not super good content. We want to make sure first and foremost that we double down, say for example on Instagram, and make sure that that's actually generating inquiries before you move to other platforms like LinkedIn, TikTok, etc. Number 3, does my content make people think and act or just scroll past? So again, this is the authority piece that you need to ask yourself. And how many proof pieces, so testimonials, case studies, wins, did I actually share this month? You guys know that I am so big on social proof. So you want to be able to make sure that you are sharing that consistently every single week. And step number 5 is committing to one growth metric. So if you were to hit one goal in Q4 that is going to move your business forward, what is that? Is it making better content? Is it following up the leads? Making sure that you have that one specific outcome in mind that is a money-making activity. Number 2, what's the exact number of clients, hours, or revenue that I'm aiming for? So again, we're going back on the numbers piece. You need to know how many clients that you need, how many hours that you want to work, and obviously the revenue that you want to make. And on top of this as well, you need to know how many leads you actually need. So you need to know the conversion rate from how many people actually become a client from your sales call. What is the percentage? Number 3 is, am I willing to track this weekly and hold myself accountable like a CEO? You can write down the plan, but if you don't take action, it is just a plan. And number 4, last but not least, am I chasing vanity numbers like wanting to hit 10K followers or metrics that actually create freedom and profit? I know so many multi-7-figure business owners that have 2,000 to 3,000 followers on Instagram. Okay, so it's not about the metrics, the vanity metrics. It's about the metrics that actually drive revenue. If you loved today's video, I would love it if you could subscribe to my channel. Follow me over on Instagram at thesocial.launchpad so you never miss an update for me. I share so much goodness over on this platform. If you do not want another 3, 6, 12 months to go by where you are in the exact same position as you are right now, if you finally want to hit 10K plus months as a social media manager, it is totally easier than you think. You just don't have a system and the framework to be able to get there. So that is what my Social to CEO Mastermind focuses on. This is an exclusive program. It is by application only, and not everyone will be accepted into this program. It is a hybrid situation. So you have access to the curriculum, but also the coaching where you are personally coached by me along every step of the way. There is either a 6-month or a 12-month tier. So if you would love to check that out and apply, I will leave the link in my description and I will hope to see your application come through soon. Thank you for watching this video and I look forward to seeing you next week.